In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn eBay promoted listings on and off really quick. Whether you're a seasoned eBay seller or someone just getting started, knowing how to manage your promoted listings efficiently can make a significant difference in your sales performance. Let's dive into the details so you can easily navigate through these steps. First and foremost, you'll need to sign in to your eBay account. Once you've logged in, hover over the My eBay section, which is usually located at the top of your screen. From there, you'll want to click on Selling, which will take you to a dashboard specifically designed for managing your sales activities. Next, head over to the Listings tab and then select Active. This will show you all the listings currently live on your profile. To identify which of those listings you'd like to promote, simply check the box next to one or more listings. This is your way of letting eBay know which items need a boost in their visibility. Once you've made your selections, you're going to click on Promote. This can be found as a button on your screen or within a drop-down menu where you choose Promote Listing. Here's where you have an important decision to make: the ad rate. eBay generously offers a suggested rate, which they believe could help optimize visibility for your listing. Of course, you also have the flexibility to set your own rate, depending on what aligns best with your sales strategy and budget. After you've settled on the ad rate that works best for you, click Apply. Congratulations, your listings are now actively being promoted. This should help attract more views and potentially more buyers. But what if you want to turn off those promoted listings? Well, it's just as easy. Start by navigating to the Seller Hub, your eBay control center for selling essentials. Look for the Selling Tools section, and at the bottom you'll find a link for promoted listings. Here's the key: this is where you can manage your current promotions. Click on Promoted Listings and you'll see all campaigns you've set up. To deactivate a campaign, simply find the toggle switch next to your promoted listing campaign, flip that switch to the off position, and just like that, your listings are no longer being promoted. This can be especially handy if you need to pause your promotional activities or adjust your approach based on current sales strategies. There you have it, the essentials of turning eBay promoted listings on and off quickly. By mastering these steps, you can easily manage your promotions, aligning them with your sales goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps optimize your eBay selling experience.